Hi. So today tonight, there's a lot of fog. That's one thing. Another thing is, I'm out in Towers, baby. So I've not filmed anything, but I'm gonna film the fireworks, a bit of the fireworks.
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've been searching in the dark, soaking through the floor. And buried in your bones, there's nothing that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what can gather. Your fever dream, can't you see, getting closer. Just surrender, cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's a picture in the pulpit and your blood devotion. There's something breaking at the brick of every wall that's holding on that you know. So tell me, do you want to go? We're carried on the colored lights. Where the runaways are running the night. Impossible come true, it's taking over you. We light it up, we won't come down. And the sun can't stop us now. Watching it come true, it's taking over you. Colossal, we come these renegades in the rain. Where the lost get found, every crown of the circus king. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running it's out. It's only this moment, just so you know. Just so you coming and you want to go. We're coming in on the colored lights. Where the runaways are running tonight. Impossible come true. Don't you king you.
It's time for our first act. Incredible power,